Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to delete personal blog from Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under the video, subscribe to our channel, and write your comments. So, let us get down to this topic with you. Please open up your Instagram and then go to your page. And if you, let's say, would like to simply remove the caption or the type of your personal blog from your profile header, then you'll need to click on Edit Profile, Category, and click on this button here, Remove from Profile, and now click Save. Now friends, as you can see, the label that you are a personal blog or your personal god type is disappearing. If you want to permanently delete personal blog, that is, turn your page from a blog to a regular page. To do this, you will need to click on the three bars at the top right to go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down until you find this option here, Control Tools. Now here you will need to find the Switch Account Type option at the bottom. Click on it and then select Switch to Personal Account. Now you will need to confirm that you want to switch to a personal account by clicking once again. After that, your Instagram will turn from a blog to a personal account in a few seconds, and you'll be able to see your profile header change. This is the quick and simple way you can easily delete your personal blog from Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you, friends!